One is one part of bank audit, the calculation, which is expected question this time. The other one, pending 7 caro clauses. Pending 7 caro clauses we'll discuss. Is that clear? Did you study SQC1 yesterday? Text me. Who revised after classes? Did you see the notes? You people? Side SQC1, yes or no? No. Why? You? Revised. Why? Busy. Held up yesterday. Marriage for you. Not well, okay. I thought it was your marriage. Have a glance. Quickly revise SQs for 2 minutes. We'll start. There was some issue in the old link, so we are given new link. People are joining. We'll start quick. Given yesterday. Correct, you didn't write. Let me give send the notes, no? Notes. You didn't get the notes. Did you message me yesterday? Oh, you don't have my number. You message me, I'll send. I told in Zoom. Those are all messages I will send yesterday. I'll send it today. A few people didn't get the link. Any of your friends is missing, just send to them. We'll start in 5 minutes. After setting SQC1 now, take this caro. 7 clauses are pending. So first off, we'll complete all the 7 clauses. Then we will do this bank audit, drawing power, most expert question. So I'll solve question, also I'll give the document to you today itself. Okay. Anything else, small topics also, while discussing the strategy management class, no, that time I'll teach you. People are available here for this. Zoom people. Camera should see here only now. We will 24/7. And I'll be here only. Anytime you can come, ask me anything. A first question to you. Which number of class pending? Very good. 2, 7, 12, 9, 19, 16, 19, 20. 2, 7, 12, 9, 19, 20, 16. Do you have a calculator with you? Calculator. Have not now. Later. Okay. First, we'll do here 19. First question. Anybody can hear, also can answer. Switch on the video fast. Quick. What is called as a going concern? What is called as a going concern? All genius in class. Wait. I'll start with genius. Genius. This is assumed to connect. That is called going concern. Who told? Wrong. Absolutely wrong. A basis on which financial statements are prepared. That is true. Learn in PUC 1 account that balance sheet is prepared on a going concern basis. Everybody listen. Can anyone say what is called going concern? Studying your 11th standard, 12th standard, foundation accounts, inter accounts. What is called going concern? Anyone? Wait. Foreseeable future. There is no intention to liquidate. I don't have an intention to liquidate my company. That is not going concern. Yes. Second chance for you. You want to say. How will you know? Nothing is certain, man. Nothing is certain. Tomorrow you will die. I will die. Nothing is certain. That is not going concern, no? Based on assumption, how will you prepare balance sheet? You are wrong. Shut up. I can't shout at him, man. Very soft. Yes. That's somewhat okay. Then something else. No. That another features, characteristics. What is called going concern? How you prepare financial statements based on that. So let me teach accounts for you. For genius, special class. Okay, see here. What's your name? Audit here is starting a business. This is called a balance sheet, correct? What will come on the right side of the balance sheet? You got assets. Left hand side, capital and liabilities. Instead of calling as liabilities, it is most appropriate to call as capital and liabilities. Capital is your money. Liabilities is borrowed money. And this is assets. Okay. You put 1 lakh rupees as your capital. You want to share trading business. Assume it gets a table, chair for 50,000. Laptop for 50,000. Okay. Liabilities. He borrows 50 crores and we invest in RCB, Vijay Mallya shares. 50 crores. The total is 50 crore and 1 lakh. 50 crore and 1 lakh. Next day, Vijay Mallya went outside the country. Example. His shares fall into 0. Loss. Now tell me, can you sell these assets? Can you realize these assets and discharge the liability? Come. Can you realize the asset and discharge the liability? That means, can you sell the assets and discharge these liabilities? If yes, possible, going concern is there. If no, going concern is not there. And what do you say in going concern? It is used in the preparation of balance sheet. The principle used in preparation of balance sheet. How it is used? If you sell this, you have to discharge this. Sometimes value, when you say, it won't be there. So you put depreciation. That is the purpose of putting depreciation and subtract from your profit. Debtors ran away. Put bad debts. Subtract and subtract from your profit. So you ensure that at a given point of time, if you sell, you can discharge this. If you sell this, if you are able to discharge this, going concern is there. If you are selling, you cannot discharge means going concern is not there. If going concern is not there, management has to disclose in the notes to accounts. If they are not disclosing, what to do? That is discussed in SA 570. That is different discussion. As of now, the same premise only, clause 19 is set. Whether the company is capable of discharging its liabilities as on the balance sheet date. That is only clause 9. Those understood? Clap. There is so clear. Any doubt? You understand what is the going concern? If you sell the assets, you should discharge the liabilities. That is called as going concern. This is clause 19. Whether as on the date of audit report, the company is able to meet its liability existing on the date of balance sheet. Whether the company is capable of meeting its liabilities existing on the balance sheet is called as going concern. That is put under clause 19. Clear? So clause 19. Regular class audit, it will go on like one-to-one discussion. You can't be this much soft like in revision class and all. A lot of fun, a lot of team activities, discussion debates. Tell me, as per clause 19 of paragraph, after doing 14 clauses, paragraph 3 of companies auditors report order 2020. And why this is not cooperating? The auditors report shall state whether the company is capable of meeting its liabilities as on the balance sheet date. That's all. Right. Right first. Yes, sir. You can sit with her. Once. Leave yesterday, ma'am. Online. Okay. Okay. I didn't save any number. Okay, fine. Done? Now, shall we proceed? Was it very fast today? No. What is clause 19? As per clause 19 of paragraph 3 of Companies Auditors Report Order 2020, the auditor's report shall state whether the company is capable of meeting its liabilities as on the balance sheet date. Easy? Next is very difficult. I'll make it dead easy. Just concentrate. Do you know Rangoli? Column. How do you say column? They call it column in Malayalam, column in Tamil Nadu. They put column, no? Before this home null. How do you say? Rangoli only. Rangoli column, no? We'll make some column now. See here. Tell me. Whether in case of, tell me. Whether in case of. That's all. Tell me.
Whether in case of.
Again.
Whether in case of.
Again.
Whether in case of.
I'm making a circle. No, just follow. Whether in case of, tell me.
Whether in case of.
Whether in case of.
Whether in case of.
The company has transferred unspent amount to. The company has transferred unspent amount to. Slowly. Whether in case of. The company has transferred unspent amount to. In compliance with. Section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. Study this. Whether in case of, first one over. Second, the company has transferred unspent amount to. Third, in compliance with section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. I'll give 10 more seconds. Study this fast, quick. 10 more seconds. Easy, difficult. What are the keywords I told you? Whether in case of. The company has transferred unspent amount to in compliance with section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. See here. Other than, tell me. Other than ongoing projects. Other than ongoing projects. Ongoing projects. Other than ongoing projects. Ongoing projects. What are the first three things? Whether in case of. The company has transferred unspent amount to in compliance with section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. Next. Other than ongoing projects. Okay. Next. Fund, tell me. Specified in Schedule 7 within 6 months of expiry of financial year. Fund specified in Schedule 7 within 6 months of expiry of financial year. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, இங்கே கிளாஸில் இருக்கா சார், பிரேக்கில் கால் பண்ணுறாங்களா? ஷியா சார், சரி நீங்கள் ரெக்கார்டிங் பண்ணி 10 minutes கால் பண்ணேன் சார். கால் பண்ணுறேன் சார். Tell me, hello, later. You want AC, you want chillness? Huh? You want sit on the rooftop. Switch on AC, but keep it in 27. Hello. Listen, later, listen. Fund specified in Schedule 7 within 6 months from expiry of financial year. Special account. Rangoli came, no? What are we going to discuss? Whether in case of, then the company has transferred unspent amount to, then in compliance with section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. Section, then other ongoing projects. Then funds specified in Schedule 7, then within 6 months from end of financial year, then special account. One more time. What is first circle? Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. 6 months from end of financial year, then special account. Clear? Now I'll break down this. This is clause 20. This is 20A. This is 20B. 20A, whether in case of other than ongoing project. Whether in case of other than ongoing project, the company has transferred unspent amount to fund specified in Schedule 7 within 6 months from expiry of financial year in compliance with section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. It's very easy. And B, whether in case of ongoing projects, the company has transferred unspent amount to special account in compliance with section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. Those understood this, clap. Easy. See, 135 is CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. Okay, you have completed, other than ongoing, you have completed. Okay, you have allocated 10 lakh rupees. You have completed. Balance 2 lakh rupees is there, means give to government. So other than ongoing project, is there any money balance means give in special account. That is a fund special Schedule 7. That is what the government account. It will go to government. Okay. Now, ongoing project. Tell me.
Ongoing projects.
There is work is going on. Some balance is there. Open a separate bank account. Transfer the money. From that money, you spend. You can't have one account for every fund, then you'll get confused which amount you have used, which amount you have not used. So if there any unspent amount, is there any unspent amount in completed project, transferred to Schedule 7 account. Ongoing project, transferred to special account. Which section says is section 135. In which clause auditors report? Clause 20. Is that clear or not? So this is actually very big para. I made very easy to remember. Now you tell me, clause 20. Clause 20. First, as per clause 20 of paragraph 3 of Companies Auditors Report Order 2020, the auditors report shall state State A. Whether I'm not showing the screen. Okay, are you telling me whether? But listen later, participate. Then don't come for my regular class. Participate. Whether in case of other than ongoing projects, the company has, this recalling is very important. Company has transferred. You also all participate. The company has transferred any unspent amount to funds specified in schedule 7 within expiry of 6 months from end of financial year in compliance with section 135 Companies Act. Easy. You only told. Correct? Again tell me what be? Okay. Whether in case of ongoing projects, the company has transferred any unspent amount to special account in compliance with section 135. That's all. Easy. Dead easy. Right. No. Only for that. Is that clear, Zoom people? Able to tell without seeing? You got 5 more clauses. Hello. நான் அப்புறம் பேசுகிறேன், மீட்டிங் இருக்கு. தேங்க்யூ. The SM class B would be on Monday, use an essay, inform all friends. It will be 100% only question answer. Question, 2 minutes for you to think the answer, then I will give the answer. We will cover every difficult topics. Any chapter you take 50% easy, 50% difficult. And if you tell, sir, I didn't understand this topic, means tell me. For that, I will include the question. Example, sir, I do not know what is called hourglass structure. Type that and tell me. I do not know Mendeleev matrix. Type that and tell me. ADL matrix. Type and tell me. That difficult topics, whichever you find difficult, no? That questions I will include in the question bank. And today we'll have timetable discussion after this class. Strategy, everything we'll discuss. Only for the people who are switching on video. Others I will remove out of the meeting. The switch on video I will discuss. No James Bond spy work conduct. Now, will it look good, ma, if I switch off the video and take class? Will it be okay for you? Will you accept this? Our people are seeing it live. Can I switch off and take? Done. Now, revise both classes. Revise both classes. Which class? Tell once and see. Class number 19 and 20. So 20 also over. 18 over. 17 also over. Rangoli. The crux, no? This three things the same for both the things, no? And this is for the bank audit. So I will solve these questions. I will solve all questions in drawing power and send the document also. See, clause 1 is property, plant and equipment. Clause 2 is inventory. Clause 2 is inventory. Clause 2 is inventory. Just see the same thing. Like whether physical, look here. Like whether physical verification of PP is conducted, no? The same thing whether physical verification of inventory has been conducted. Okay. But if the difference is huge, I check the inventory. Inventory will be like small nuts, bolts, everything. Correct? Small items are there. The difference between the books and the inventory is 10% or more, means then the books has to be adjusted. Books has to be adjusted. You put books as 1 lakh rupees inventory. You go and check 1 rupee difference, okay. If it is 10% or more, means then which has to be changed? The books has to be changed. So any discrepancy of 10% or more has been properly dealt in the books of accounts. discrepancies of 10% or more. So what would be clause 2A? 2A to B. One by one we'll see. First part I will tell as usual. A clause you have to say. Speed has been improved. So as per clause 2 of paragraph 3 of company's auditors report order 2020, the auditors report shall state. What is A? Inventory has been conducted. Correct. A is correct. Wait, whether physical verification of inventory is conducted and dash has to be dealt. Discrepancy has to be dealt. Discrepancy of what percentage? 10% or more. And whether discrepancies of 10% or more has been dealt in the books of accounts. Very easy. Whether physical verification has been done, 10% or more discrepancy has been dealt. That's all. Don't write, just read. Then you'll write. After writing B, you can do the right. I'm slowly increasing my speed. Whether physical verification of inventory has been conducted and discrepancy of 10% or more has been dealt in the books of accounts. Now B point, you try to read. I should improve your skill also now. Then I'll explain. All right. This one. I'll make it one line short. When this is applicable? When this clause is applicable? When the working capital is sanctioned. What price? Excess of 5 crores. This is 10% or more. That is exceeding 5 crores. So when clause 2B is applicable? When the sanctioned working capital is greater than 5 crores. If he has got more than 5 crores, what we have to check? Anybody who gets working capital loan now, they have to file quarterly returns. Working capital loan is given based on the stock. Based on our stock, we get working capital loan. For example, I'll explain. Listen, first I'll explain. Listen. I get a stock of like 50,000 iPhone. 50,000 iPhones. So I got 50,000 lakh stock with me. But immediately I can't sell the iPhone. The first one is the entire stock will not go. The stock will be there for 1 year. Over 1 year time, this 50,000 iPhone might be sold. That is my estimate. First year no sales happen. Who will pay my rent? Who will pay my staff salary? Ma'am, listen ma'am. Concentrate ma'am. Who will pay my staff salary? So I'll go to the bank and say, sir, iPhone is there, sir. We didn't have sales, sir. Time being, give a loan, sir. When I sell this, I'll give back your money. That is called as a working capital loan. Or understand this, ma'am? Okay. Bank gives the working capital loan. But every quarter, we have to file the return. How many phone was there? How many sold? They didn't have a stock, no. Assume you sell every phone. You will not pay the loan back means. So they'll be asking for a quarterly return. Yes, that is only for working capital loan. A point no, in quarterly return what the auditor, the management gives to the bank, no, they may make a mistake there also. Whether that they are filing properly, auditor has to report. Not every working capital loan. The working capital loan is more than 5 crores. 10 lakh and all don't report. Who is interested? Anyway, don't tally also. If some problem happens, they can repay. But if the loan is more than 5 crores, it is very, very important. That time only auditor has to check. So, the audit report has to state B point. Whether, tell me, the quarterly return filed with banks or financial institutions are in agreement with books of accounts if the company has been sanctioned working capital in excess of 5 crores. Is that easy? Whether quarterly returns filed with banks or financial institution. I'll just cut off financial institution now. Whether quarterly returns filed with banks or in agreement with books if the company got working capital in excess of 5 lakhs. 5 crores. Whether quarterly returns filed or in agreement with books if the company has got a working capital in excess of 5 crores. So quarterly return, books 5 crores. Easy? Yeah, you can sell. That is only charge. That is called floating charge. That I'll explain after class. Okay? That is called floating charge. That is without the consent of the charge holder, you can sell stock. When you sell only, you can pay, no? You can sell. That is called as floating charge. Michael Jackson. So what do you write? Whether quarterly returns filed with banks or financial institutions are in agreement with books of accounts if the company is sanctioned working capital in excess of 5 crores. If you are able to write like this, you are called as a book author. Many book authors, they just copy paste only. That is the fact. Any book you take, maximum books there. You have to simplify it, you are a book author. So you are also a book author. Easy then? Right? Frequently asked, clause 2, clause 19, clause 20. So 3 clauses over. All big clause. over original clause over 1 wow 6 7 not done, then 8 over 9 not done, 10 over 11 over 12 not done, 13 over 14 over 15 over 16 not done, 17 18 19 20 21. I'm going to complete soon. The most toughest part in CA inter auditing, Caro. Are you able to remember also, no? All. Now we will see 12. Clause 12. What is 12? What is 12? Nidhi company. What is Nidhi company? Chit fund company. We all form a company, like a cooperative society. We all form a company. Those who have money, put as deposit. Those who don't have money, take from me. Giving money, taking money only among us is called as Nidhi company. Okay. First point is that if Nidhi company's capital is 1 rupee, maximum deposit can collect is 20. You understand? No? See, I am starting a Nidhi company. I'm for starting a company. My ownership is more, like 90% capital is mine. This is very less. Okay. I collect lot of money, and many people take away money. Loss goes means even I should also bear, no? So if your capital is 1 crore, maximum how much deposit can be there? 20 crore you can accept deposit. You want to accept more? Increase capital. You increase capital to 2 crore. You can accept how much crores? 40 crores as deposit. Are you understanding? See, this Nidhi company, this is capital, this is deposit accepted. If this is 1, you can maximum accept 20. Having 1 rupee as 1 lakh as capital, you can't accept 200 lakhs as deposit. What is your contribution to the company? What should be the ratio? 1:20. The same thing only will say as debt equity ratio, no? Same thing only. So Nidhi company, what is the clause number? 12. 1:20. So never ever forget. 12, 1:20. Okay? Do you know cucumber? How many flavor cucumber to eat? Raw cucumber eating, not salad. Cucumber. Eat cucumber. Like goat, cow, directly raw. What is spelling of cucumber? C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Okay. C-U-M-B-E-R. U-N-E-N. U-N-E-N. C-U-M-B-E-R-A-D. Unencumbered. Tell me. One word. Unencumbered. What is spelling? I will teach spellings also. U-N-E-N-C-U-M-B-E-R-A-D. S is a common straight, no? C-O-M-M-E-N-S-E-R-A-T. Unencumbered means, see, whatever deposits you collect, no? Everything you won't give as a advance. I collect 100 rupees. You want the loan? Take 100 rupees, I will not give. 10% I should hold for some emergency. That is called as unencumbered. Whether the company is maintaining 10% unencumbered term deposits. How much percentage? 10%. Whether Nidhi company is maintaining 10% unencumbered term deposit to meet audit liability. Okay. Whether they are properly paying interest and repayment is the subclause C. See here, what Nidhi company does? Capital, advance, deposit. First point A, if this is 1, maximum this can be 20. This is only called as net own funds to deposit, the ratio of 1:20. This is A. Net own funds to deposits should be the ratio of 1:20. B. If you collect 100 lakhs, all 100 lakhs you can't give us advance. 10% should give for some emergency. Even like debentures also. Debenture, reserve, same thing. 10% hold. Because somebody will ask me, give my deposit back immediately. So 10% you holding. 10% unencumbered deposits. And C point. You're getting deposit, no? Are you paying interest properly? Are you paying interest properly? Repayment properly? Whether interest on deposits and repayment is proper. This is that point. Is that clear? Right. You write the same directly. Right. Clause 12. Whether Nidhi company has complied with net owned funds to deposits. Hello? Who will write as per and all? Wait. First write that. I forgot. As per clause 12 of paragraph 3 of Companies Auditors Report Order 2020, the auditors report shall state, leave one gap, A, B and C. After writing you tell me, I will start. So people after writing you put hard, I will start. Well, what is the spelling? X. What is B point? 10%, maintaining 10% unencumbered term deposits. Maintaining 10% unencumbered term deposits. Whether Nidhi company has defaulted in payment of interest or repayment of deposits. Default and not default, same only.
If it has not defaulted,
What is your question?
if it has defaulted, then only.
Defaulted, right? Defaulted. Not defaulted, right? Not defaulted. Okay. Which one? 10%. See, whatever money you get, no. For example, she gives 100 rupees to me as deposit. You give 100. He gives 100. He gives 100. Okay. I get like 1000 rupees. Say 10 people as look at me. 10 people has given 100 rupees. 1000 rupees I get. What is 10% of 1000? 100. 100 I will keep aside. 900 give us loan. Why? Because out of these 10 people, somebody comes and says, give my money back, take it. You are understanding? Then over. People understood? So how many clause pending now? Clause 7, 9, 16. Okay. See, clause 3, you give loan. Look here, later you talk. Who wants it? First day will be quiet, second day friends. Fourth day lunch together. Fifth day next Saturday will come. Clause 3, you give loan to somebody. That we report. Clause 9, you obtain loan from somebody. That you have to report. Okay. I'll tell you. Just tell the keywords. A. Tell me. Default. A. Default. B. Willful default. Willful default. Default. Willful default. 4 points. Default. Willful default. C. Whether short term has been used for long term. Whether short term, long term. Whether term loan used for the purpose it has been obtained. First point, is there any default in payment of interest or principal? You got the money, whether you are default in payment of interest or principal. Whether any bank or financial institution has given a name as willful defaulter. It's a very bad name. If a company, if you are not even paying interest principal properly, they will stamp you as what? Like a criminal law, willful defaulter. If they have done this to company, shareholders will not know. See balance sheet. So only auditors will put under care. So default, willful default. To each number, default, willful default. Whether loans obtained on short-term basis used for long-term purposes. Easy to get a working capital loan. Show the stock, they'll give working capital loan. After you do working capital loan, you'll go and buy a car. Easy to get a short-term loan. After doing short-term loan, you'll go and buy a car for the director or buy a house. Whether loans obtained for short-term basis as used for long-term purposes. Next, whether term loan has been used for the purpose it has been obtained. The same thing only we saw in clause 10 for IPO, FPO. For private placement, preferential allotment, convertible debenture. Whether it has been used for the purpose, it has been obtained. The same thing. So how do you write this? whether the company has defaulted in repayment of principal or interest, whether the company is declared as willful defaulter by banks or financial institution, whether fund obtained for short-term basis or used for long-term basis, whether term loan has been used for the purpose it has been obtained. In short, default, willful default, short-term, long-term, term loan for the purpose. Default, willful default, short-term, long-term, term loan for the purpose. Practice, practice, practice. Default, willful default, short-term, long-term, term loan purpose. Easy. Genius. Any doubt, write it down and break will discuss. Regular guys, you can discuss, no? 130 hours, slowly we'll discuss and go. That is there, I'll do only one class in a day. Only one class in a day. Regular classes. 21 days, 21 classes. He's thinking for that. Think. Somebody's taking photo also. I will post. Artist. So what is class 9? Correct, no? Class 9. What is class 9? Default, willful default. Short term, long term, term loan, purpose. That's all easy, no? Finish. How do you write? Clause 9. Tell me. As per. Don't write, just see. Just later you can write. Let's see. As per clause 9 of paragraph 3 of company's auditors report order 2020. The auditors, who was that one? Jackson. The auditors report shall state yeah, whether the company has made default in payment of interest or repayment of principal. Easy. Very big clause. It's very easy for you. You practice, no? Care, my style. What is B? Whether the company has been declared as willful defaulter by banks or financial institutions. C. Whether funds obtained on short term basis is used for long term basis. D. Whether term loan obtained is used for the purpose it has been obtained. In one big page also you can say without saying. Right, first, quick. Done. And now one very big calculation. After this I'll give a class, I'll give a break. Okay. Concentrate. All of you have a calculator. Participate. Somebody kept their name as chart accountant. What's the name, dear? Chart accountant. Type your name in chat. Hey, change your name. I'm not able to find it in chat. Yeah, I can't see it from there, man. Small logo. Change your name there. It's a very big process. Somebody has chat. Sri Harish. Okay. Sri Harish. Steel manufacturing company. Sri Harish Steel Manufacturing Company. Everyone concentrate. Most difficult thing I'll make it very easy for you. Sri Harish Steel Manufacturing Company. After this class, I'll give a break. Okay? Concentrate. Sri Harish Steel Manufacturing Company. Ignore depreciation. Balance sheet. Okay. Here he has got manufacturing asset. Okay. He invests some 300 crores. And there he has got manufacturing income. Closely watch. Very big concept. Closely watch. This is 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030, 31, 2032. Okay. 300 crores he put as a manufacturing asset. It gives 10% profit every year. Any manufacturing company, based on asset, you make revenue. So what is 10% of 300? Use calculator. Sure, no? Great. 30 crores profit what Sri Harish gets now, he is not taking home. He is giving us a loan to somebody. If he is taking home, it will be like cash. Cash. If he is living in business, it will be cash 30. He is not living in business, he is giving us a loan to somebody. When he gives us a loan to somebody, it becomes a financial asset. Financial asset. This financial asset will give 24% interest. He gives us the loan. What is the interest rate? 24%. You ignore the fractions. Round it off to the nearest number and tell me. Okay. Next year, wait. Next year, the manufacturing asset is 300. Manufacturing income is same 30. Ignore depreciation. Financial income. Financial income. How much is given for loan? 30 crores. What is the interest next year? Round it off. Round it off. This 30 crores, he gives us a loan to somebody. And they pay interest. At what percentage? 24 percentage. What is 30 into 24 percentage? 7.2. I'll round it off. How much? 7. This whole total. I'm going total. 7. And whatever money he receives this year, no, that also he gives us a loan. So last year it was 30. This year he has done how much? 37. This also he gives us a loan. So what will be total financial asset? 30 plus 30 plus 7. How much? 67. Any doubt till this? I'm going to fill everything. Students, easy. Those who understood, put heart. Clear? James Bond also can put heart, nothing wrong. Fine? Easy. Next year, the same manufacturing 300. Manufacturing income 30. Financial asset 67. Interest. Round it off. 16. Okay? This year 67 already given. This money also give us a loan. 67 plus 30 plus 16. 113. Very good. Next year same 300. 30. 27. The financial asset 113 plus 30 plus 27. 170. Without calculator, same time. With calculator, same time. Calculator will say, I might joke to you. First, then same 330. Here. 40. 41. I'll kill you, man, in the break. 170 plus 30 plus 41. 241. This two I'll make very easy. This you tell me. 50? 58. Here. 297. 241 plus 30 plus 58. Useless fellow. 241 plus 30 plus 58. How you got 299? I'll kill you. How much? 3? Stop. Everyone listen. Listen. Everyone listen. Don't talk. Don't intervene also. Okay? Concentrate. Madam, concentrate. You are in a different world. You be in my world. Okay? Do not go to a different plant. Be here. Concentrate. In the year 2031, observe, the financial income is more than the manufacturing income. Financial income is more than manufacturing income, and your financial asset is more than manufacturing asset. Financial asset is more than manufacturing asset. Now tell me, tell me. We'll say no. Hey, it is not dog, it is a cat. Hey, it is not dosa, it looks like puri. He say no. Or puri looks like chapati. Tell me. It is not puri. It looks like chapati. It is not coffee. It looks like water. It is not a manufacturing company. It is an NBFC. Because your predominant asset is financial asset. Your predominant income is what? Manufacturing, financial income. Your main source of asset is financial asset. Your main source of money is financial. Then how can you call it a steel manufacturing company? Steerage, kill you, man. You are called as an NBFC only. So in this case, tell me, in this case, Louder. In this case, the company should register itself as NBFC as per section 45 IA. This one I told. 45 IA. Sorry, I was saying IA of RBI. Whether they have did this or not, audit has to report under clause 16. Are you understanding? So clause 16 first one is whether the company is required to register under section 45 IA of RBI. Clause 16 A. Whether company is required to register under section 45 IA of RBI. This is clause A. B. Whether the company has done any non-banking finance or housing activities without certificate of registration. Okay. And last point C. Core investment company means 90% should put only shares. They can't do any other activity. So whether core investment company continues its criteria. That's all. 45 IA without certificate, whether core investment company continues its criteria. I'll tell it again, just concentrate. A. Whether the company is required to be registered under 45 IA of RBI. B. Whether it carries on non-banking financial or housing financial without certificate of registration. C. Whether core investment company continues its criteria. That's all. Understood? Core is 90% should put only in shares. They should invest only in shares. Then only you will call as a core investment company. So it's an NBFC where predominant activity to put only in shares. Only investment they should do. Only in shares for 90%. Okay? Shall we write? After writing this, we're going to go for a break. A lot of conditions. What should be your capital for a company? Many things. Even for NBFC also, minimum requirement should be 300 crores. That you will learn later. Now study this. What is required for exam, you leave it. You won't go and do any research on anything. Thank you. Whether the company is required to be registered under Section 45A of RBI Act 1934, whether the company has conducted any non-banking financial or housing finance without certificate of registration. See whether core investment company continues its criteria. So how many class more? Only one class. How many class more? Two. What are two classes? 19 over. Things will be 1 over, 2 over, 3 over, 4 over, 5 over, 6 over, 7 pending, 8 over, 9 over, 10 over, 11 over, 12 over, 13 over, 15 over, 16 over, 17 over, 18 over, 19 over, 20, only one class more. How many classes we did from the morning? Count. If it is 6, your answer is correct. 6 classes. One class will complete before 12 and 12 to 1 will do bank audit drawing power. Most expert question this time. Done? We will discuss now. You discuss or later. One I can't discuss everybody here. Whether core investment company continues its criteria. Criteria. Go for break. Yes. Hello. Taking his photo. Dan sometimes making friends, building up friends, contacts. Listen, shall we proceed? All friendship done. Over. Subject. What is the objective of joining CA? To make friends, which is going to scatter very soon. Listen, I told you, Jackson, listen. I told you 2 clauses are very important from the, you are going to buy the shares. 2 clauses you should see well. One is clause 7, then 70. This is cash loss. This is statutory dues. Very confusing clause, very difficult. Move to the corner. You come this corner, ma'am. I'm separating you both only. What is the purpose? You go to center, ma'am. Listen. Zoom all came back after break. Shall we start? Listen. See. 7A 7B. See, 7A, you're going to list out which tax you are not paid. You're going to list out which tax you are not paid. Which tax you are not paid. 2 things I can say. One, I'm saying, yes sir, I have not paid sir. That is one amount, sir, 5 lakh. Number 2, I have not paid, I will not pay. 7A is I have not paid, I will pay. That is 7A. 7B, I have not paid, I will not pay also. Get lost. That is 7B. That is 7B means it is in appeals. It is in appeals. So 7A, the auditor shall state the amount of arrears of undisputed statutory dues for more than 6 months as on the balance sheet date. Amount of arrears of undisputed statutory dues for more than 6 months as on the balance sheet date. That means February due, they can't pay by March itself. It's okay. Which due is more than 6 months? That means which one will come? Not March, February, April, Jan, December, November, October. So September, from September, which due has not been paid, auditor has to report. From September, it should start from when? March or April? See, March, February, January, December, November, October, September, August, July, June, May, April. Okay. The auditor shall report the arrears of outstanding undisputed statutory dues for more than 6 months as on the balance sheet date. For more than 6 months means from here it should start. This is the ending point. Should cover August? Yes. And the starting point no should be where? April or March? No. All previous years. All previous years. Last 10 years, what money you have not paid, auditor has to report. As on balance sheet date, which and all amount is more than 6 months, report. February month payable, not more than 6 months. January month payable, not more than 6 months. December payable, not more than 6 months. November payable, not more than 6 months. Last year payable, more than 6 months. Last 5 payables, more than 6 months. So complete list he has to take and report. Very hectic task for us also. Take all, yes man. Take all income tax file, GST file, PF file, excise duty, customs duty, everything. Take full list. It has been not paid, take a list. And you ask the client, you are not paid or you are going for fight? Not paid, write it here. Fight, where it is? Which department? Either it is, point B only. Whether it is in Commissioner Appeals or Tribunal or High Court or Supreme Court, where the case is going on, that you have to report under clause B. Okay. So clause A is the amount of arrears of outstanding undisputed statutory dues for more than 6 months as on the balance sheet date. Clause B, in case of, tell me,
In case of
disputed, then amount and forum involved. Disputed statute, what amount? 5 lakh. Where the fight is going on? Income Tax Act Tribunal. 6 lakh amount, where? High Court. That you have to give a list. Is that clear? These are narrow luck. Okay. Narrow luck C. Actually 7A. 7A, there is nothing payable. There is nothing payable. Okay. 7B, there is dispute. There is dispute. Central Excise Act, 0.19 crores. It's in commission appeals. Sales tax, this much crores. Is there deputy commissioner, assistant commissioner, etc. Finance Act, 9.54 crores. It is there. What, ma'am? See, this is Reliance Infrastructure Limited. Listen. I'll give a not Reliance, a general case. Look at me. I show a fake profit. Why? My share price has to be increased. For the fake profit, should I pay income tax or not? Yes. I will not pay income tax. I'll put in appeal. My share price will increase. People does not know there is a case income tax. An example, raw example, ideology to understand. Next step, fake profit. I will not pay income tax. This I will fail in appeals. I will go for tribunal. Second, not paid appeals. Third year, fake profit, fake income tax. I will put in appeals. That one in tribunal. That one in high court. I will keep on rotating it. Tax I will not pay proper at all. By that point of time, no, my shares will reach a top price. When income tax is going to take my assets, no, that time I will sell my shares, I will go away. The person who gets the share, no, gone. Reliance Infrastructure, which company? Reliance. Okay. See. Actually, it's AB, he has put A, B, and C. That's auditor. No, not a big issue. We can do. See, A. Statement of arrears of statutory dues outstanding for more than 6 months. 7 year understanding. Statement of arrears of statutory dues outstanding more than 6 months. Income Tax Act, dividend distribution tax, 23 crore not paid. From when? 2017-18. Income Tax Act, TDS, up to September 21 it is not paid. Outstanding more than how many months? 6 months. They are not fighting, they have not paid. See here. Come. Fights. You buy the share, man. Kindly buy the share. Delhi sales tax, 0.5 crores. West Bengal, 56. West Bengal, 4. How many of you like this Infosys company? Today, download annual report of Infosys company. C7B point. Very good surprise is there for you. Go on C7, B point of Infosys. See. Madhya Pradesh, 0.49. Uttar Pradesh, 0.05. Income tax, 163. Income tax, 992 crores. Only tax, then interest penalty for so many years, 353. 295. Everything is close. Not paid. This is called as 7B. Are you understanding? So only all those app people buying shares. Kindly that company download free only type annual report of that company. It will download the annual report. Go to Caro. See clause 7, clause 17, clause 1 also. The property is their name, original or not, you can see. Have you heard something called a show cause notice? That clients will say this show cause notice in a very funny way. Instead of show cause notice, they'll say. What is show cause notice? Yes, Jackson. If your phone, I said no usage of phone in class. Even if it be Apple phone also, I'll throw it away. Later, Jackson. What is show cause notice? Correct. See, income tax officer, he thinks that your tax liability is 50,000 rupees tax you have to pay. Directly, he can't make an order. Pay 50,000 rupees tax. If you should discuss, opportunity of being heard. So he'll give a notice called as show cause. Show cause means show me the cause. Show cause means show me the cause why I should not put 50,000 tax on you. He'll put his calculation in detail. He'll arise taxes as 50,000. Then we will reply, sir, in your calculation, you have missed out TDS, sir. TDS 40,000 is there for me. Advance tax 40,000 is there for me. So give me refund of 20,000, 30,000, what it is. You reply him. If he satisfied, he will drop. If not satisfied, he will pass the order. If order is passed, if you are not satisfied, you go to Commission Appeals. Fail there, tribunal. If it is statement of fact, law, fail High Court, fail Supreme Court. Fail in Supreme Court, what will you do? Finance Minister. Retrospective amendment. You should give proper justification. Yeah, Finance Act, retrospective amendment in the Act. Who makes Act? We make Act. We elect people, those people make the Act. You are the Queen of India. It is a democratic country, no? Yes. You are specifically speaking on Companies Act. You are speaking on Finance Act, Income Tax. I had a very great discussion with our genius today. He told me, sir, that act told that rule, sir. I asked him which act. He told LLB. I told LLB is a course, not an act. All people quoting from WhatsApp University. Listen. Later. 1 o'clock, you stay, man. Till 3 o'clock, I'll be answering you. Let me complete. They are waiting, all are waiting for bank audit. Yes or no? Yes. Listen. So, this show cause notice, no, it is only representation. That and all don't come and report under 7B. This is frequently asked question. If only order is passed, if he pays, not a problem. If he says he will not pay, also 7 will go. Order passed, he say he will not pay and goes for appeal, then only 7B will come. Step 1, show cause notice. Step 2, you pay, no problem. You are not paid, but you will pay 7A. You fight against 7B. But many people, for show cause notice, they reply under 7B. No, you should not come. 7B, only cases which are in appeal should come. So specifically they are mentioned in the clause, a mere representation does not constitute a dispute. A mere representation does not constitute a dispute. That is the meaning. Okay. Shall I write first? Quick. Yes, people. Yes, Jackson. Right. A 7 they ask frequently in interma. The extent of arrears of outstanding statutory, not able to write in this one, statutory dues, the extent of arrears of outstanding statutory dues for more than 6 months as on the balance sheet date. The extent of arrears of outstanding statutory dues for more than 6 months as on the balance sheet date. In case of disputed statutory dues, the amount and forum involved. In case of disputed statutory dues, the amount and forum involved. Here. A mere representation do not constitute a dispute. Easier. So people all 21 clauses of Caro or. So now you're an expert in Caro. Those understood clap easy, everyone. So anybody ask anything in Caro, you should say. Done. We'll put Caro over. Other things here. Oh. Zoom has improved a lot. Done. See, any theory part now, it is very easy. Okay. Now for bank audit, I am going to teach you drawing power. Okay. And here is one page theory. Go and write it at home only. I'll give you the document. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. Okay. 4 questions we are going to solve today. And if you understand the concept, it is only 5 minutes work. If you are not understanding, no, this everything will look like something very big. So bank audit. When you are asking drawing power, question size is this much. Okay. Understand means 2 minutes you can solve this. So always have conceptual clarity. I want you to close your books, concentrate. Don't write anything, concentrate. Concentrate, participate. Okay. See, can I have a chain or watch or something, bracelet, people here, ring, anything, one. Okay, show me. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. What is it? Lion or anaconda? Snake or lion, man? It's look like snake only. Oh wow, nice. Okay, you think me, this value is like 1 lakh rupees. The value of this is 1 lakh rupees. Now don't go to what you have studied in bank audit. Keep your mind fresh and read. Don't be in a parallel universe. The value is how much? 1 lakh. Giving this is asking money. As a bank, you tell me, will I give the complete 1 lakh or money lesser than 1 lakh? Less than 1 minute. Let them answer first. Answer. James Bond, answer fast, quick. 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh? Anamika has answered. Very good. Sriram, less than 1 lakh. Very good, Sriram. Maheshwari, less than 1 lakh. Selvi, less than 1 lakh. Saraswati, God itself was given less than 1 lakh. Very good. Less than. Somebody so stringent. Only less than. Okay. Why less than 1 lakh? Not reserve. I will reserve it. Then I will doubt if this is this does not fetch that time. For some risk, no, I reduce the money. I won't give 1 lakh. The money which I reduce is called as margin. It's called as margin. So I just less margin. 20%. What is now? 80,000. I can give the loan. 80,000. You are not concentrated. Concentrate. Sit properly. Sit properly. Sit properly. 80,000 is drawing power. How much you can get from me? Drawing power. His drawing power is 80,000. How much ever he wants, he can take loan. Sir, I want only 50,000, sir. Give 50,000. I'll give 50,000. Go. That is called drawing power. Okay. Money which bank has no, that is called as sanctioning limit. He has got my gold of 1 lakh rupees. Less margin 80,000 rupees. My bank has got 80,000 rupees. Cooperative bank. Hey, take 80,000 and give. Ambani comes and gives 10 kilo gold. Ask me loan. I should have money with me, no. I should have money with me. He gives 1,000 ton gold. Sir, give me money. When you open my locker door, only 3 lakh rupees available, sir. Your drawing power comes as 3,000 crores, sir. But my money is only 3 lakh rupees. So first lesson is that drawing power cannot exceed sanctioning limit. I am a normal pawn broker. I have 5 lakh rupees cash with me. He gives 1 lakh rupees of silver. I reduce margin 20,000 rupees. What is drawing power? 80,000 rupees. How much you want? I am asking. 60,000, take 60,000. Sir, full 80,000, full 80,000 I will give. No problem. And this fellow comes with all smuggled goods from Kenya. KGF. Correct? Coming in a different disguise. He gives 5 crore worth gold. He gives gold here. 5 kilo gold he keeps. Give me money. How much money will I have balance? 4 lakh 20,000 rupees. Your drawing power may be high, but I do not have money. The first understanding is that drawing power cannot exceed the sanctioning limit. Step by step I will go. Another 5 minutes I will complete this. Any sum you solve, you get the correct answer. Challenge. See, only standards must. Understanding standards. Concept, if you understand anything is easy. Is that clear, dear? Clear? 5 kilo gold. Very nice fellow. So this is situation 1 or scenario. Scenario 1. Second scenario. 1 lakh worth silver coins he is giving. He is giving 1 lakh worth silver coins. In that, 20,000 is damaged. 20,000 is damaged. So what I should do? Reduce the damaged goods. Reduce the damaged goods. It's slow. Reduce the damaged goods. How much? 20,000. What is the balance? 80,000. In that, reduce margin. How much? 20%. 16 is very good. Without calculator, people are telling. Balance. Wow. 65,000 is the drawing power. Are you understanding? This is scenario 2. Is that clear? Everybody? Any doubt? You are all genius. You didn't come to attend class. You come to teach me here. I am taking class for them. Ready? Scenario 3. 1 lakh is the silver coins. He should pay 20,000 to GRT. I will not consider that. Why? Because he will come when money comes. See, for us, assume 64,000 rupees I have given as drawing power to him. Okay? He didn't pay. When I sell silver, no, GRT fellow will come. Sir, gold is my gold. He should pay me how much? 50,000 rupees. He will take that money from me. He will take that money from me. See, silver is there. See, understand. 1 lakh worth of silver is there. Listen, I'll put this so you'll understand much more better. 1 lakh worth of silver is there. You paid 50,000 to GRT. Then in this 1 lakh, 50,000 is your money. Hello. You always attend call because some students, some link problem, no? IDFC First Bank. In 1 lakh gold, you paid 50,000 to GRT. So 50,000 what you have paid is your money. Balance 50,000 is whose money? GRT money. For GRT money, I can't give you loan. 1 lakh is the gold article. 50,000 you have to pay to GRT. That means what? Here 50,000 is owned by whom? GRT. 50,000 is owned by you. For this only I can calculate everything. Those understood clap. Is that clear? Easy. Yes. That we'll see later. Whether you should be arrested, kept in Tigar jail. That we'll see later. Integrity of the firm, no? So, silver is 1 lakh. Less creditor for goods. Oh, GRT. How much? 50,000 gone. Less damaged goods. 20,000. What is the balance? 30,000. In that margin, 20%. How much? What is drawing power? 24,000. Those understood clap. You see? So drawing power, working capital, they give based on goods or debtors. Working capital, no? They give based on both goods, that is stock or and debtors. Drawing power for stock we have completed. That's all easy. So what is the value of goods? XXX value. Less creditor for goods, XXX. Less damage, XXX. This is called as paid stock, XXX. Less margin, XXX. Balance is drawing power for stock. This is A. Calculate for B. Add A and B will be your drawing power. And it should not exceed what? Sanction limit. That's all over. Some over. Now you should do for data. That is totally different calculation. Just see this one. Try to tell this one's points again. Like stock minus practice. You also practice. Another 5 minutes more. Drawing power is over. In SM class, no, one day I'll teach you overdraft, one day I'll teach you NP also. Like all sems will get over. Okay. Is that clear, people? Clear, put heart. I'll go for next segment. First, debtors. Anything numerical is very easy. Taking theory only headache. Some you can show directly, no? Some one happiness will come when you solve. Theory, I should teach you, make you to write, make you to remember, then only happiness. Shall we proceed? Debtors. Okay. You come to me, I am the bank. You say, sir, 4 people have to be giving money, sir. Tell your name. Sir, who is coming to my bank? What's your name? Advita is coming to bank. Sir, 4 people has to give me money, sir. Kiran has to give 1 lakh, sir. Srikanth should give 5 lakh to me, sir. Sunil should give 4 lakh to me, sir. Abit, AD, nice, no? Audit. Style man. Audit has given me 10 lakh rupees, sir. These 4 people has to give me money, sir. Give us a loan to me. When they give, I'll repay. How it is possible, sir? For stock, you gave money, no, sir. Based on stock, you gave money. Then stock sold, that will return money to you. Simply, these 4 people are my stocks. Like stock, my goods in these 4 people. When they give money, I'll return to you. Bank will say, okay, I'll give. When Kiran got money from you? 2 months before, sir. When this Srikanth got money from you? 1 month before, sir. This fellow, 2 years before, sir. Adit, 8 years before, sir. So, what is total debtors? 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 4 lakh, 10 lakh. How much? 20 lakh. So, total debtors is 20 lakh. Bank will doubt. 8 years this fellow has not given. Will he give now? So, I will not consider this. So, bank will have a date. Like I will not consider debts more than 1 year. I will not consider debts more than 6 months. That is bank choice. Not paid for more than 6 months, how they will pay me? So they will try to have only the immediately recent loans will try to have. So bank policy says 6 months old loans will not consider. So this will be ineligible. Less ineligible debtors. Who should be subtracted? This 4 and 10. 14 lakhs. Balance 6 lakhs. Less margin. This margin will differ from stock and debtors. Margin is 40%. You won't trust people, man. You don't trust humans. You trust stock also. What is 40%? 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger, huh? 2 lakh 40,000. Balance 3 lakh 60,000. You see, drawing power for stock. Sorry, debtors. Is that clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Once again, the formula will make you. Drawing power for stock. Drawing power for debtors. Stock. What is the value of stock? Value of stock less greater for goods, if any. Less damaged goods, if any. Balance should be paid stock. Less margin. Balance will be drawing power for stock. Debtors total. Less ineligible. Then eligible debtors. Less margin. DP for debtors. So total drawing power is equal to this plus this. A plus B. It comes to 5 lakh. Total sanctioning limit is 6 lakh, example. Then the drawing power can be 5 lakh. If sanction limit is 4 lakh, the drawing power can be only 4 lakh. Is that clear? Is everyone easy? Done? This chapter completed. Okay, so drawing power part is separation. Shall we solve sums? You solve and tell me. It's not my job. Solve first. Write neatly. Everyone. First write the question. At least one question will write. Write the question. This is expected question for this September. Drawing power. How much is the stock? 50,000. Debtors 45,000, including debtor of 5,000, dated 7/11/24. Sundry creditors 50,000. Sanction limit 45,000. Do not tell the answer, ma. So please, you guys should consider every student. That all should think, let them make mistake, they don't do it. Debtors older than 3 months are ineligible. This I will do. You participate. Next question you do. Okay. See here. First, here it is for stock. Then debtors. What is stock value? Participate here. Participate. 1 second. What is stock value? 50,000. Is there any damaged stock? Slowly. This is all. Is there any creditors? How much? 15,000. So less 15,000. What is the value? I told to participate here. Now you can answer. How much? 35,000. Correct? What is the margin on stock? Less margin 20%. How much? 28,000 is for stock. Debtors. What is the value?
45,000.
How much is ineligible? Why ineligible? We are doing for the month of March. This was dated November 17. Debtors older than 3 months are ineligible. So minus 5,000. 45,000 minus 5,000. Yes.
48,000.
Somebody taught me how to use this. 45 only. Zoom. I can understand that. Too much of anything is good for nothing. I'm selling her. 45,000 minus 5,000. Then. 40,000. Yes. Margin how much? What is the margin? 50%. You tell me, ma. What is the answer? You answer. Sure. Good. Here. 20. What is total? 48,000 is eligible drawing power. What is the sanction limit? 45. So what should be drawing power? 45 only. Was understood? Clap. That is the answer. But you should write in this format. Is that clear? But did you understand? Now he has paid money for that stock. I told that GRT example, no? See, I'll tell the example again. See, there is one goods, 50,000. Okay. You have purchased from somebody else. You have paid 35,000. You have not paid 15,000 to that fellow. So that fellow has got from this stock 15,000. He is owner for this 15,000. Are you understanding? He is owner for this 50,000 part. Or you assume you get a gold chain from GRT. 1 lakh. If you pay 50,000, 50,000 is your part, your owner, 50%. 50% you are not paid to GRT. So GRT is owner for 50%. I can't give money for GRT's money. I can give only for your money. In that 50,000, 15 belongs to whom? A creditor. Unless you pay, you are not the owner. So balance is so much, 35,000 rupees. That part only your owner. For your part, I will reduce margin and give. But I can't pay for that part. Is that clear? Goods is with me only. But when I sell now, that fellow will come and take my money. Everyone, it is clear. Ask any doubt, ma. Copy this fast, quick. Neatly right. Should I clear all these things? You can start writing the format. No, the format you have to write the same thing only. Margin will be always given in the question. See, still doubt you ask me. Then next question you do without saying. Then I will be happy that you understood clearly. Anything questions like this, no costing or accounts or this, no, this will be very interesting. Taking theory only, first I should set the mood of the class, make you happy, tell a lot of examples, make you to remember, write. Write the answer. Start writing that. Why not writing the format? You will do at home. I won't allow in SM class. I'll give assignment, write and come. The exam you can't write like this, no? You should have practice. Yeah, doing properly. Don't write this time over. Next question you do. People done? Done? We'll move to a question. Take a screenshot of this first. Next question I will show on the board. All answers confidential. Don't read it loud. Okay? Come and show me the answer. You can text to my direct to my WhatsApp number. Next question. ZC. This one. Hope this question comes for the examination. Don't write it, just do the calculation. Hello, sir. Right. Format, in format, I want the answer. Here, dear. Nice. Great. It's blessings. It looks like a jaguar actually. A panther, no? Any question comes on drawing board, you will be an expert. Completed? Oh, easy man. You should bring your notebook. Answers WhatsApp me. I should close my eyes and put it for you. Correct. Sit here, don't sit here. Others? WhatsApp means you are sending image in the Zoom. How can I see? WhatsApp me. I'll read your name also. First. Tell your name also. Saraswati. 3 crores. Correct answer. You tell the number also. Huh? Breakup. The correct answer is 3 crore. Who got 3 crores? Put heart. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Calculation. Sendil Selvi, good calculation. Good. Madam, did you get 3 crores? Hello? Jackson? Got the answer. Okay, one second. You don't worry. You just tell me here. You tell me. Here. Only she has to answer. No helping. Hello? Sir, stop calculation. What is the value of stock? There is stock, debtors. 5 crore is the value of stock. Listen. How much goods are damaged? 1 crore. So 5 minus 1. Creditors? Minus 2. What is the value of stock? Paid for stock? 2 crores. Sure? What is the margin? What is the margin? 25%. Okay. 25%. 0.5. So totally how much? 1.5. Is that clear? Debtors. What is the value? 3 crore. Ineligible? 0.5. Eligible debtor? 2.5. Margin? 40%. 1 crore. So value 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 3 crore. How much is calculated? 3.3. So it's totally wrong. But why he made that mistake? Is it some logic, Why he made that mistake? Anybody here? Why he calculated 3.30? What mistake happened? No, he didn't study CA course. You are chartered accountants, no. You are an accountant, not a CA, no. Is that clear? This you can take a screenshot also if required. Or write the format. Here also you write fast, quick, lazy people. The heading should be drawing power on stocks, first one. Drawing power on stocks. Write neatly, do not scribble, no use. If you are not able to present properly, don't go for examination. Don't waste paper. Save trees. See, you are presenting paper, requesting sir, please give me marks, sir. All possible, you have to present the paper. In my regular class, just see anybody note, no? You have written neatly, red pen, blue pen, spacing, 6 lines in a word. Every question a fresh page, every topic in a fresh page. Proper record on book. Then if you said it will be easy to recall. If you scribble, no, after 5th grade you won't have any interest in writing also. Half time you will write, you won't write also. Then you will miss few days class also. Anywhere in this Malay Southern branch, no, I have taken SM class. In Malaysia, I have taken auditing class. Auditing is a few part they called me. That was my introduction to Bangalore. Just see the notes alone. Done? Next. Next, one more question we'll do, but at jet speed only answer I want. Fast you should do. The total drawing power is, make that as A, this as B, read properly. Kavita has given the answer. Correct answer, Kavita. Good. Done? The last question. Conclusion not right till this. Conclusion says the calculation is not correct. This I'll send a document. First, tell the answer on first. Quick. Correct. Any difficulty? No. If you understand, it's easy. Sara Abdul is correct. There is two more calculations, sir. One is for overdraft, one is for NPA. Balance are only theory only. Show answer to me. He is not the teacher. Correct. Listen, rupees or thousands or lakhs answer. Then it is correct. That's all. For you only I was waiting. The answer is 76.5 lakh. Those got put heart. Here clap people all got the answer. We'll see the answer. 76.5. What difficulty is there? Many will message me. Drawing power. So I put on the theory workation, drawing power and sanction limit. Sanction limit, total exposure, what bank can give. Our drawing power is only on security less margin. Okay. This document also, whoever is WhatsApping me, I will send you right away. Okay. So there comes the end of this revision class. I have taught you Caro in complete. Caro para 1 I have completed, para 2, para 4, para 3, all classes. We didn't learn like PPE, inventory, numbers alone. We have learned in full, all classes. And everything I have written and showed to you. That is number 1. That covers under 8 to 10 marks validation. In SQ1 fully we saw. And 700, 705, what is unmodified opinion, what is modified opinion also I taught you. Okay. When you come for SM now, some other important topics also, like 20 minutes I'll discuss in auditing. Okay. Now your thing is that those who all want this document, just text me, I'll send you. Point number 1. Point number 2, SM class will be only question answer oriented, like this only. Full SM class will be like question and answer. Okay, I'll make a document like this. So which other topic you find it is difficult for me, sir? Yeah, I do not know ADL matrix, sir. I do not know what is called as objective, sir. I do not know Mendelov matrix, sir. Which are not difficult, the topics you tell me. Don't tell me I don't know all 5 chapters. Then you go for January attempt. Which channel you don't know, you tell me. I'll make questions. I'll cover all questions also. Okay. Those who felt this Caro is very useful for me, just drop me a message. If you're happy, just drop a message. And then we will see on Monday sharp at 10 o'clock. 10 to 1 SM. For 3 days SM. Like 2.5 hours, 7.5 hours SM. Balance after half an hour, I'll be telling you again audit again. Is that clear, people? Discussion on topic timetable we'll do after SM class. First come for SM class, learn. Then after that we'll do. Okay. Try to write all class once today itself and send me an assignment. Just see and write all class once and send me an assignment. Okay. Okay, people. Just drop in message. SM what topics you want, just drop me. And this auditing also. This if you're thorough with all concepts, just drop a message. This document also I'll send you. Is that clear? Okay, well, bye. Bye.